Hey everyone, this is First Warning Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Pam. Just quick update before I go spend some time with the wife and we have a great Valentine's evening ahead. I wanted to talk about the cold front, which is making some real steady progress. This thing is howling through the Midwest right now. Look at all those wind gusts, 40, 50 miles an hour coming through Indiana and Ohio. The leading edge is just about ready to move into the mountains, but we're already seeing winds ahead of this cold front basically out of the southwest. They've been howling today between 20 and 30 miles an hour. Then on the backside, we've got the cold air, which is funneling in like this. The cold front itself is probably right in there. The coldest of the air is lagging just a little bit behind, but you can see how cold this air is. Here we are, the middle of the afternoon, and it's below zero in many locations of the upper Midwest, and there's quite a bit of snow with this. We're going to see snow squalls and near blizzard conditions at times move into the mountains this evening. A couple wildfires breaking out in South Carolina. That's the other big issue because of the strong winds and the really dry air. I mean, dew points are in the teens and 20s. It's going to be a problem until the front moves through and those winds swing around to the northwest. So really cold, brutally cold tonight, and damaging winds. So the next thing everybody wants to talk about is our snowstorm slash winter storm. And this is going to be a little bit of everything, but the chances for wintry weather are about 60 to 70% right now for most of our area. I mean, people ask me, how much here, how much there? It's hard to really get in those details, but I can tell you everybody's going to see some type of winter precipitation. It's just a matter of how long it's going to last. So let's go through tomorrow, Sunday afternoon. We'll go into Sunday night, and here's our storm system developing to the west. We'll go into Monday morning, 7 a.m. Thing really starts to develop. And let me put the I want to put the surface isobars on here just so we got an idea where the lows are. So there's our system developing back towards the south and west early Monday morning. So we might initially get some snow in here to the south, in the southeast, but I think a lot of this will have a tough time reaching the ground until probably late Monday afternoon. We're probably talking Monday evening. Snow starts to break out in the Carolinas, and it will be all snow at the beginning. It's going to stay snow all Monday night into early Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning, what happens is something we call a warm nose. It's warm air loft is going to try to work in from the coast. And when that happens, we may see a mix of ice and sleet here. But there's a chance it could stay snow. It's a real borderline issue. Watch what happens to the southwest, though. Another wave forms on the backside of this first one, and we get another surge of moisture as we go into Tuesday. So Tuesday afternoon, we'll probably see a wintry mix, but then as we go into Tuesday night, everything should change back to snow. Again, this is Tuesday night, about 11 p.m., and then we go towards Wednesday morning as the low kind of redevelops on the coast. You can see that there. This is what I was talking about, that Miller B, where you have an L here and an L here, and the energy shifts to the coast. Very hard to forecast, but if that happens, you're going to get several waves of precipitation. And then we go towards Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. We still got some snow left around. Wednesday evening, we go into the evening hours. We still have some light snow around on the backside, and it's really cold as this thing blows up and becomes another nor'easter, blizzard slash snowmageddon. Just unbelievable pattern. Really, really cold. If you look at the GFS model going into Thursday, it does depict snow on the ground, so we see brutally cold temperatures. So just to show you the snow depth, I think this is kind of interesting. You can see the swath of snow that it brings across this area, anywhere from 2 to as much as 4 inches of snow across the south. So really everything's coming together for this precipitation event. I think we're going to see some snow right now. If you had to pin me down, I would say we're probably looking at about 3 inches of snow in and around the Charlotte area. Could trend higher or lower. The problem is we don't know the track precisely. We don't know how much mixing. We could have the perfect forecast for precipitation, the amounts, but if you mix in sleet or freezing rain, it reduces the snow totals, and then that would throw off the forecast. But right now, I got the snow meter at a 4. Everything is definitely trending colder and wetter. I'll have to see if that pattern continues tonight, and I think tomorrow, sometime on Sunday, I'll issue my first hand-drawn snowfall forecast and ice forecast for the area. But I'll try to keep things up to date online as much as I can. But again, take a little time off this evening. We'll start cranking things back up tomorrow. Right now is the time to prepare. Prepare for the wind and cold today and tonight into tomorrow. But if you have plans on Tuesday or Wednesday, start thinking about what you're going to do. Maybe stock up with some stuff. We joke about bread and milk, but maybe just grab some supplies, make sure the car's filled up, and just kind of be ready for some cold, snowy weather that's going to stick around. Probably for the next 7 to 10 days. Hope you have a great Sunday. Happy Valentine's Day. And I hopefully will not see you again until tomorrow morning with my next post. See you then.